Hey, ready.
No.
I know my mom talks to me.
I don't give a shit. When you pass out, I'm not reading back. I'm going to hell and come back. Yeah. Really got it.
Oh, you know that.
I was going to beat you.
That's where y'all going.
They're gonna. I guess they're gonna go to pray. Y'all gonna go to pray. Up to pray. Oh, y'all going all the way up top?
Coming back.
Damn, you about to. Oh, I ain't gonna be able to catch that all on the screen.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna beat him until we get back to these stairs. I'm gonna jog with him so he don't quit.
Right.
Bust it up. Ready?
Give me this bike back.
Are you ready?
Give Caleb
On your march. Sweetie, move over some, please. On your march. Get set. Go.
bike back.
What?
He said go.
There, give him his bike back. Here, take it.
Alright, let's call it again.
Caleb!
On your march.
Stand in the middle.
Oh damn! I got the camera right on me and shit. On your march.
Turn around when we
Run!
On your march. Get set. Go.
Go, 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 go! Go, go, go!
That's a damn shame y'all about to run all the way up that damn hill. That's an exercise. You see it? You see it?
Yo, they like ants. I can't even see them.
I can't even see me. They look like they jogging down. Move, 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 move. Move, move. Move, move, Joe. Come on, come on, come on. He was gonna dust you no matter what. And here come Ish. No matter what. No matter what. No matter what, Ish.
Don't look at me! No! Yeah!